What's up guys, today I'm going to be making a product video using juggling skills. This video is not sponsored, it was just made for fun, and yeah, this is what we're going to be making today. Okay, so the first thing I did was I experimented with a lot of different tricks to see what looked cool and impressive. And I really liked the way that it looked when it had sort of a flat spin and sort of like a helicopter movement. So this first shot was a behind the back to a handstall. And this is pretty hard because you have to get it to land flat and you need it to have the logo facing up. So if you end up catching it on the downside, then you have to redo it. So I got this after a few tries. Okay, so for the next shot is where it shows all the Clif bars cutting and they have different position and rotations. And this is actually pretty easy to do. All you need to do is you need to take a picture of the bar straight, and then you can cut it out in Photoshop or you can use it in your editing program, and then you just duplicate the layers and adjust the position and rotation and scale, and you end up with this. And that's going to be it. So like this video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to share this with anyone you think could benefit from it. This is Ultimate101, and I'll see you next time.